So these are blocking diodes. This is what it looks like. You know, this is a heavy-duty one. So you solder. This is a piece of. This is 10 electrical cable, which should be ample for what I need to do for it. So I've soldered it onto the positive side, the anode part of the blocking diode, and you know, put on the end of it, and then you know, this is the other end here. This could go into a heat sink also, but you'd have to return that heat sink side. So this is going to go in line with the solar panel. Positive lead is going to come down onto this line, throw through the diode, and then down to the positive side of your battery. So this will prevent any spikes from the PMAs, either a wind turbine or a water turbine, to backing up into the panel. So this is a little bit more prettier. I didn't have any heat shrink tubing that's small, so just use electrical tape to cover over this edge. And then I'll put it into a box, which I'll probably show later when I get on customer site. So this would be for each. You wouldn't, unless you had a huge system, you know, you'd if you had a huge system of solar panels, you'd probably want to go with a larger one. I think this was, I'm trying to remember what amperage it is. But if you go on the WAN's site, you'll see them, and they'll give you the rating of what they were. And then I was also doing was, I had to convert this, was a DC, had a DC plug right here, and this rectifier was actually installed inside the PMA. When I ordered the PMA, I forgot to specify that I wanted it to have the 3-wire output coming out of it so that I could run it as 3-wire down the pole over to a rectifier. So I had to remove this one from there and then attach, you know, a wire each into it, and then I shrink wrapped it and clamped it on there so that it's a little better. If you look on, there are some videos that show you doing it also. So, and it wasn't as bad as I thought it'd be. It's just something else I had to do to make it work. So, you know, I shouldn't actually be showing you my medications over here. Hopefully no one's paying attention to it. I'm diabetic, so I have, you know, medications that I'm on. This is my internal workspace. You've seen my outside workspace. You could see that I probably get into trouble having the living room as my workspace, but this is a panel that I have built and rebuilt for a system that used to be in the barn. The barn was upgraded, and all that's missing there at the moment is the inverter, which I took using it on a customer's system at the moment. Have a great day.